Coyote, they make outdoor grilling fun, but in life, there are always rules. These are my top 10 rules and quick tips to make grilling safe. Rule number 1, never use your grill if a gas odor is present. Turn it off at the source and call a professional. Rule number 2, never leave a gas grill unattended while you're cooking. Rule number 3, make sure that your gas grill has been leak tested and that proper ventilation is in use. Rule number 4, check to make sure the end of each burner tube is properly located over the valve orifice. Rule number 5, light the grill burners using the instructions located in the manual. Rule number 6, make sure to adjust your heat settings to your desired cooking temperature. Rule number 7, after use, allow your grill to cool down. Make sure to wipe it clean and empty your drip tray. Rule number 8, never put a grill cover on the grill while it's still hot. It could start a fire. Rule number 9, if you need to do a deep cleaning of your grill, make sure the fuel is turned off at the source. Rule number 10, always make sure to cover your grill in inclement weather. Rainwater and moisture can collect inside, affecting its performance. For these and other great tips, follow the care and maintenance instructions in your owner's manual.